Krispy Kreme was one of the hottest brands in America just over a decade ago. For its loyal consumers, the donuts were mouthwatering. For investors, the stock price kept getting sweeter, but then it all fizzled. And as Jane Wells tells us, the company's comeback was anything but easy.
Forget the dot-com bubble.
The horror.
Back in 2000, there was also a donut bubble, as yours truly reported after Krispy Kreme went public in a frenzied IPO.
The stock is trading at more than 70 times next year's estimated earnings, and that's pretty pricey for a donut.
Krispy Kreme shares eventually topped $100. Then the company nearly fell down a donut hole, expanding too fast, angering franchisees. The stock plummeted, and management had to go.
Now the company has reported 17 straight quarters of same-store sales growth. Shares on the stock market have outperformed rivals like Dunkin' Donuts, and the CEO promises to go from 540 to 900 stores by January 2017.
I don't know the right number for domestic stores, but it's certainly in the thousands.
They got good ingredients.
What can you say? They're good.
It's like soft, but they just make it with love.
Krispy Kreme, for lack of a better analogy, is probably the In-N-Out, for those that know In-N-Out, of donuts.
But there's still a hole in this donut story. Coffee, a high-margin product. Coffee only represents 5% of Krispy Kreme revenues compared to 60% for Dunkin'.
Truth is that the business model that Krispy Kreme has is very different than a Dunkin' Donuts or a Starbucks, and I've got great respect for both of their business models, but they are largely beverage companies, and we are a donut company.
That said, growing coffee is part of the plan.
I think the company can be a lot bigger, a lot more successful, and a lot smarter year by year, and I'm not sure everybody fully realizes that. I think sometimes they think it's just a donut. It's not just a donut.
The hope is this time around, Krispy Kreme's financial prospects won't be filled with empty calories. For Nightly Business Report, Jane Wells, Burbank, California.